Do not ask me to remember. Don't try to make me understand. Let me rest and know you're with me. Kiss my cheek and hold my hand. I'm confused beyond your concept. I'm sad and sick and lost. All I know is that I need you to be with me at all cost. Do not lose your patience with me. Do not scold or curse or cry. I can't help the way I'm acting. I can't be different, though I try. Just remember that I need you, that the best of me is gone. Please don't fail to stand beside me. Love me till my life is done. When I met Bill, he was a very loving, caring person, very outgoing, very gregarious. I could tell he was loved by all of his friends. You know, they really admired him. He had been very successful. He was actually an entrepreneur. He had done lots of things in his life. He was very loving. I really felt his love, and I returned his love. I started to notice signs. One of them was the fact that he was a very meticulous person with his projects and always very complete, perfectionist with everything he did. But he started with one of a project, and he would start that project and then he would leave it incomplete, move on to the next one, start another project. I was aware that something was going on. He was diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment at that point. So it really kind of continued to progress. It was not an easy thing for Bill. He was losing independence right and left. And it was a very difficult time for him. And I realized that. He's losing control. The Memory Care Navigator program through Sun Health is directed by Marty Finley. This program is provided to the community at no cost because Sun Health funds that through donors. It's a blessing for our community. Marty will meet with you in your home, which she did for us. She gave us directions as to the legal documents that we should have in place. She also mentioned that we should get the Medic Alert Safe Return program. And I didn't do it right away, but then I decided that was a good thing because Bill would start to wander, and that was very frightening.
When I met with Shirley and Bill, my first concern was about safety issues. So I suggested that they get the Medic Alert plus Safe Return bracelet and referred them to some support groups because I'm a big believer in support groups. You know, it's nothing like another group of people, a room full of people that are experiencing the same things that you are that can help.
Having Marty Finley as our memory care navigator was a great asset. I felt like I could call her if I had any questions. She was always available for us. She's an expert in her field. Her resources are invaluable. I was very blessed to have her, and I called her my friend, and she was.
I'm really grateful that the Sun Health Foundation saw fit to create this program to meet a need and fill some gaps for people in the community, because there really wasn't anything like this where there's somebody that they can call on that can help them kind of navigate through the disease process.
Being a caregiver was not an easy task. You kind of have to be alert and on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's a full-time job, and I knew I needed some help. he needed more help than I could give him. And I had to make the decision to start looking for a memory care facility for him. This year, on January 25th, was the day that I moved Bill to the memory care facility. It was probably one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. My husband, Bill, passed away recently, and I realized at that time how meaningful the Memory Care Navigator program had been for me and the support it had given me. And I am also so thankful to the donors who have supported the Memory Care Navigator program for Sun Health.